Well, it's good to have Amazon back because they're going to lease about, I think, 30 million square feet this year. And in their prime during the COVID years, they're releasing, upwards of 90 million square feet a year.
Which is incredible numbers. But 30 million feet would have to be the healthiest fulfillment distribution company out there, right? I mean, obviously, they're number 5 out of 4 largest buildings, but they'll be the largest occupier again.
Yes, they will. Usually second place is around 10 to 12 million.
That's right. Yeah. Exactly.
Welcome to our Industrial Advisors podcast at IMC in Quebec City. We are doing a 5-Minute Friday today. The topic is the 5 largest U.S. industrial developments going on right now. And the largest going on is Hyundai's EV manufacturing plant in Savannah, Georgia, 12 million square feet. That's a big one.
That's unbelievable.
Yeah.
Obviously in a few phases, but the total project looks like 12 million feet battery plant. The interesting thing, we're going to talk about all 5, but this is all really, 4 of the 5 automotive related. 3 of the 5, Bill, including the first one, is these new batteries, right?
Yeah.
It's a change in time.
It's a changing world in the auto industry. They're going to, in that facility, support the production of 300,000 units of Hyundai, Kia's, Genesis vehicles annually at that operation.
That's right. And a total of 8,500 new job growth.
There you go.
So that is our number 1, 12 million feet, Savannah, Hyundai.
Number 2 is Panasonic's facility in Kansas City, 5.5 million feet.
And 4,000 jobs. This 2 batteries, so the 2 largest under construction industrial buildings in the U.S. are both battery plants for the automotive industry, which is pretty impressive.
4 billion electric vehicle battery manufacturing plant.
Incredible.
Wow. Yeah.
Next one up is a little different. Texas Instruments in Sherman, Texas is building a 4.7 million square foot microchip plant. So obviously, we know Arizona has a bunch of these, but the biggest is in Texas and 4.7 million feet. And obviously, the majority of these chips are being automotive industry.
Yes, and that's going to employ more than 3,000 people.
Incredible.
It's impressive.
That's right. The 4th one back in Lansing, Michigan. We know Lansing, Michigan well. 2.8 million square feet for a GM battery plant. So number 4, 3 of the 4 are battery plants for the automotive industry. Obviously, number 3, chips, with the majority of them being for the automotive industry. It's just revolutionizing industrial real estate by square footage. And gosh, when's the last time we had the automotive industry changing the footprint of industrial like this?
It's impressive. And,
it really is.
Yeah, it is. It has been a nice
boost. Long time.
Yeah, it's been a nice boost for the industrial sector because, 5, 6, 7 years ago, that wasn't even in play. So, and then of course, a known name on the last one we're going to talk about, which is Amazon distribution facility in Providence, Rhode Island, 3.8 million square feet.
3.8, and we replaced it because that's obviously larger than the GM plant in Lansing, but it's a triple mezzanine, right? So it's 3.8 on 3 floors versus all these other ones are much larger buildings on 1 floor. So that's why we've moved Amazon to number 5. But here's the interesting thing. You're not surprised that Amazon has one of the top 5 buildings, right?
Correct.
But it's the smallest of the top 5. And if you back the clock up 2-3 years ago, maybe 4 of the 5 would have been Amazon, and maybe at times 5 of 5, right? So they're back on the list, but manufacturing, this is real stuff.
Well, it's good to have Amazon back because they're going to lease about, I think, 30 million square feet this year. And, in their prime during the COVID years, they're releasing, upwards of 90 million square feet a year.
Which is incredible numbers. But 30 million feet would have to be the healthiest fulfillment distribution company out there, right? Obviously, they're number 5 out of 4 largest buildings, but they'll be the largest occupier again.
Yes, they will. Usually second place is around 10 to 12 million.
That's right. Yeah. Exactly. Well, that's our top 5 buildings. Happy Friday. Thanks for tuning in.
Thank you.